So today I'm going to be doing a foundation wear test with this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And this claims to be a 24-hour foundation, so we're going to put that to the test. And so I'm going to do check-ins all day, well, hopefully all day, as much as possible. And let's just see how it goes. So kind of in a bit of a morning rush, but still got my coffee. So let's do this pretty fast. Okay, I'm going to put on my Becca primer. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the foundation, squirt it on the back of my hand, and I hope this is my right shade. Probably 2 pumps. Okay, now I'm gonna just dot it all over my face. And I have my Dampen Real Techniques sponge. I'm just gonna blend it in. Okay, now I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Very natural makeup besides like the full coverage. And while I was looking in the mirror, I noticed that my face was really matte, which I have dry skin, so let's see how that goes. But the foundation looked really pretty. Like it was a nice matte and it looked like pretty full coverage, but like not in an overly heavy way. Look at my highlight, yes! Okay, so the rest of the day is going to be like vlog style. So let's just see how it goes. See you later. So it's 9:45 and we're walking to our next class. How does it look?
It looks good. There's no like creasing anywhere, not even on your smile.
My highlight
is
blinding. Okay, bye. So this is Michelle. How does it look?
Looks good, but there's not much coverage.
So it's lunchtime right now, so that's why it's a little loud. And we just checked in the mirror and it looks a little dry, like around my chin and like over here, but it's still staying on pretty well.
It looks really good. I like it a lot.
Okay, so I'm home from school now, and now I'm just gonna take my mirror and look how my foundation looks. Oh wow, it definitely does look dry. Like I do have dry skin, but it looks very dry. I mean, it's still there, but it's not as full coverage as it was in the morning. But the creases are not bad. Just like a little, like a few stress marks in my forehead. Nothing on the smile lines. There's like nothing left on my nose though. I mean, everything else still looks good though, so I'm very, very happy about that. So I'm about to go to volleyball and I'll do a check-in afterwards. Hopefully it's still there afterwards. I'm pretty sure it claims to be waterproof, so if I sweat, let's put that to the test. Okay, see you in the next check-in. So I'm back from volleyball, and you can see because my hair is like all over the place. But I did notice that the foundation is getting really patchy and breaking up over here on my nose, which is understandable because I was sweating a lot, you know, working out. But there's barely any on my nose, and it's creasing like when I raise my eyebrows. You can see the marks from that over here on the sides, and it's like barely on. But I'm being very harsh because like I just worked out. It does claim to be 24-hour though, and it's kind of not living up to that. So yeah, I'll do another check-in or two, so see you then. By the way, I just checked the bottle, and I know earlier I might have mentioned that it says it's waterproof, but there are no claims of it being waterproof. So I was wrong. So I'm still in my volleyball clothes, and my mom and I are going to go to TJ Maxx. We're going to try to find some denim shorts. And, you know, not been too long since my last check-in, but just wanted to show you in the outside lighting what it looks like. It's like it looks fine, but it's just not perfect, you know? Like I would touch up, but I don't want to do touch-ups just to see, you know, what it's supposed to look like. Okay, see you in the next check-in. I was at TJ Maxx, and I was just looking, and it's really breaking apart on my forehead. You can't really see in my phone camera, but it just doesn't really look that great. While we were at TJ Maxx, we got these really cute white shorts, and that's all I found. Okay, so this is gonna be the last check-in, and it's been 12 hours since I first put on this foundation. Now almost all of it is off. So let's go through the day. In the morning when I put it on, I really love the coverage and the finish. Even though I have dry skin, it was expected for it to be very matte. I really love how it looked with everything on top, and then when I went throughout my day at school, it still looked fairly fine when I got home. It did wear off a little bit, but that's okay because it was like 8 hours, so that's normal for a foundation. Even though it did claim to be 24, I'll give it that. Now when I went to volleyball, that's when things went downhill. I did sweat a lot, and it is not a waterproof foundation, but it looked really bad afterwards, and I would not recommend this foundation if you go to the gym a lot or if you're going to be sweating a lot, if you are. So overall, I would wear this again. Like, I really liked it, but I don't think it stood up to the claim for 24 hours. But comment down below if you have this foundation and what you think about it. So please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie. Bye!